What's going on, you guys? This is MXKD. I have another Dell Precision 3620. This would be a mini tower. Gonna be replacing the motherboard. Show you how to do that. So what you guys need is a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off from the top. Go ahead and disconnect the memory. CPU 4-pin power. I'm gonna disconnect the rear system fan here, CPU fan. Now you're gonna go ahead and remove the rear system fan. To do that, just go like this. Now from the bottom, USB 3.0, you're going to disconnect the SATA cable, internal speaker, now I'm going to go and remove the CPU heatsink. And it's got 4 screws for the CPU cooler, 2 in the bottom, 2 in the top. You got the front header for the power switch, it's right in the corner. Now from the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and start removing the motherboard screws here. Now you're gonna go lift up the motherboard like this. You guys can see better. Just make sure to check so there's no other cables connected. And you're gonna lift this up like this. You're gonna do is remove you're gonna take a paper towel and wipe down the old thermal compound off the CPU. Like this. So guys, I'm going to be replacing with the same motherboard. You get the other motherboard in here. Okay, so this is the motherboard. I have to replace, now that one's not working, so I have to replace the exact same one. show you guys how to do that. So now we're going to go ahead and take the now you're going to take a rubbing alcohol. You can use a 91% rubbing alcohol. Take a paper towel. Just wipe down the now you're going to install the screws and you have to align. And now you have to do is remove the old thermal compound from the CPU cooler. So what you have to do is, let me get a piece of, okay, so you're just going to take the, you're going to apply rubbing alcohol on the paper towel and wipe it off. Mine comes out really easy because it's been reapplied, but if you guys got a really old thermal compound that's dry, then what you have to do is you're going to take like a credit card or debit card and you scrape it off. Then you're going to apply 91% rubbing alcohol and wipe it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the thermal compound right in the middle like this. A little bit like this. Look. That's good enough. Now I take the CPU fan, install it back to the motherboard. It's a 4-pin connector. Now you're going to go ahead and install back the screws for the motherboard. If you guys want to watch the teardown video, that will be separate video already uploaded. You guys can watch in my channel. So now we have to go back and install all the cables back. So this goes to the This is SATA 0. This is going to be the main boot drive for the solid state drive. Now we're going to install back the USB 3.0, internal speaker, and the front panel. This is for the power switch, power LED. This is a 4-pin for the CPU power. Install back the memory. And we have to be the last part is a rear system fan. Lay it down like this. And you connect it back to the motherboard and be in the corner. Just check, make sure everything's connected. Looks like we're all done. Be successful motherboard replacement. And you're gonna put the side cover back on. So you guys, it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.